Ever wondered about the astonishing abilities of terns, the small seabirds known for their long-distance migrations? Allow me to take you on a journey to explore the fascinating world of these remarkable creatures. Terns, with their streamlined bodies and sharp-pointed wings, are a sight to behold. Their habitats are as diverse as their species, spanning across the globe from the Arctic to the Antarctic. Terns have an affinity for coastal areas, where the ocean's bounty provides ample sustenance. However, they are not just confined to the shores. Many species nest on islands, estuaries, and even inland water bodies. They are true global voyagers, their distribution covering every continent and every ocean. These birds are not only recognized for their extensive geographic range, but also for their extraordinary migratory journeys. Some species undertake epic migrations, traversing thousands of miles between their breeding and wintering grounds. Understanding the terns begins by appreciating their unique characteristics and their incredible migratory journeys. Have you ever imagined traveling thousands of miles without a map or compass? Terns do this every year. Let's delve into the extraordinary journey of these feathered adventurers. The migration pattern of terns is a marvel to behold. It's not just a trip down the road. We're talking about one of the longest migrations in the animal kingdom. Take, for instance, the Arctic tern. This little bird, no larger than a teacup, travels from its Arctic breeding grounds all the way to the Antarctic, and then back again each year. That's right, this tiny avian navigates half the globe twice, every single year. Just imagine a journey covering a staggering distance of over 25,000 miles, a distance equivalent to circling the Earth at the equator. And they do this without the luxury of GPS or any modern navigation aids. They rely solely on their innate sense of direction and their biological clock, which are tuned to the subtle changes in daylight and temperature. What's even more astounding is that they do this journey entirely by air, battling the elements and facing numerous threats along the way. This is no small feat. It's a testament to their resilience and survival instincts. Each year, as the seasons change, these tiny birds set off on their epic journey, driven by a primal instinct to survive and reproduce. These little birds are true globetrotters, covering immense distances with a determination that leaves us humans in awe. In a world full of threats, how do these tiny birds manage to survive? It's all about survival tactics. Terns, though small in size, are masters of survival, employing a variety of strategies that keep them thriving in their habitats. First, let's talk about fishing. As seabirds, terns rely heavily on their fishing skills for sustenance. They have a unique diving technique where they hover over the water, scanning the depths for fish. Once they spot their target, they dive in at lightning speed and emerge with a catch. It's a perfect blend of precision and speed, a testament to their adaptability. Then there are their aerobatic maneuvers. Terns are not just good at fishing, they are also excellent flyers. Their agile flight allows them to evade predators and navigate through harsh weather conditions. Their long wings and slender bodies are designed for long-distance flight, enabling them to travel thousands of miles without rest. But it's not just about evasion and sustenance. Terns are also fiercely protective of their nests. They will courageously defend their territory against any intruder, no matter how large. This protective behavior ensures the safety of their offspring, a crucial factor in the survival of the species. Despite their small size, terns harness intelligent survival tactics to thrive in their habitats. It's clear that these little birds are far more resilient than they might initially appear. Life isn't always a smooth flight for the terns. What are the challenges they face and how can we help? In the face of adversity, terns, like many other wild birds, are under threat from several fronts. The loss of their natural habitats is a critical issue. Human encroachment, industrial development, and pollution have all contributed to the shrinking of spaces where terns can thrive. Then there's climate change, a global issue that's hitting terns hard. Rising sea levels and unpredictable weather patterns are affecting their migration routes and breeding grounds. Their food sources are also impacted, making survival an even tougher game. Predation is another significant threat to terns. With fewer places to hide and nest, they're more exposed to predators. This constant threat puts a strain on their population and hinders their growth. But all is not lost. Conservation efforts are in place to protect these beautiful creatures and their habitats. From setting up protected areas and implementing stricter laws against hunting to raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity, we're making strides to ensure their survival. Furthermore, research and monitoring are crucial in understanding terns better and developing effective conservation strategies. With technology and dedicated teams working around the clock, we're making progress, ensuring that terns continue to grace our skies. Terns are a testament to the resilience of nature, and their survival is our shared responsibility. So, what makes terns so fascinating? Well, these birds are global travelers, navigating long distances. Their survival tactics are awe-inspiring, and conservation efforts to protect them are noteworthy. Next time you see a tern, remember, you're witnessing a global traveler, a master survivor, and an emblem of nature's resilience.